Hi guys, welcome to Get Response tutorial part 2. This is Jatin Bindal welcomes you to Get Response tutorials. The second video of this tutorial series. In the first tutorial series we talked about the introduction and how you can win $30 in your accounts and Get Response. Now let's start with the tutorial of it. There are three steps basic into it. First is to create forms. Second, to create form. This whenever you create forms, you integrate these forms to the networks, like whether it's a website or a blog. Second, it could be a social network. Third, it could be your others people who are sending emails. There could be a lot of ways to get traffic or to get to publish this form. Third is build up newsletters for sales. Okay, so let's start with it. First is create a form. Click on the middle one. As soon as you click on this one, you will find a lot of forms over here. So there are two types of forms. In the second tutorial, I will tell you about one form. In the third one, I will be telling about you the second form. So let's click on List Builder Wizard. This gives you all the options. Let me brief you about the menus. Here you see a lot of different types of templates you can select for form even. They have templates for form as well. Okay, if you could see the journal, these are the journal ones. Suppose you want to do specially for newsletter signups. So these are newsletter signups, free coursewares, like you can get it. Want a smart tips from our experts. Subscribe and start learning today. Take the best course online best course available. So if you want to give free ebooks, free copy of any software, you can use this one. Leave feedback, like you want to take the feedback. Actually are taking their registration part. If you want to integrate these form on Facebook even. Okay, if you want to integrate these form on Facebook, you can integrate. They have special forms for that as well. After Facebook, you have event signups. You have blank forms, like event signup is for party, industry event, tech fest, cabs, webinar invites, and a lot of invites are there. Apart from that, it is blank one. It is not having any template background behind it. It's next is order. If somebody is ordering and want to fill up this form. After that, it's seasonal. Okay, seasonal is travel, surf, clean beach, holiday contest, or depend upon the season, which season is coming. Like Christmas. These days, Christmas is going on. It's 25th today even. So today is the Christmas, Valentine's. Such a pretty templates, pretty good templates are there. Next is ask a question. If somebody wants to ask a question, like somebody leaving your website, you can put this kind of form on that. Apart from that, there is another type of classification where they have done, that is side column, website side column they're talking about. Like this is the area which is known as sidebar in WordPress. Okay, so you can place these forms in the sidebar for your any page you want. Okay, apart from that, we have wide. Wide, you want to be a little wider. You want to showcase the form a bit wider, like its width is 460 into 250. You want that form, you can select it over here. Then it's wider, it is 700 pixels into 200 if you want a form like this one, which is very big. And the mix, the whole width of the page, actually if I talk about, this is somewhere near 940 into 150 pixels. And the last but not the least is square one. Wherever we have space of square, we can push this form. So these are various type of forms are there. So let me make a form for me. Like I'm starting a new site, that is Digital Career. It is all about how we can get a job of internet marketer. You can search out the jobs. It will be having fully functional by 15th of Jan 2016. Okay, because I don't know when you will be seeing these videos, so you might get it. So how to put it? First of all, what you have to do is you have to insert a plugin, or you have to install the GetResponse plugin. So go on the dashboard, backend dashboard of your website, then click on plugins, then click on add new. As soon as you click on add new, it will open a window where you can upload or search the plugins. This is how to upload a plugin. Click on add new. After clicking on plugin, click on add new. And after that, when it's got up, click on upload new. After that, you go on wordpress.org and search this plugin, or you can have this URL as well. I am saving it in my notepad. Okay, just a second guys, I'm saving it in my WordPad file. I will share that, okay, at the end of the video. That URL you can open and you will find that it is here. Just see that who is the author. GetResponse should be the author of it. Then download this from here. It is just 1 MB, I suppose. And then go back and click on choose files. I'm just waiting for it's getting download. Click on downloads, and here you will find somewhere your plugin, GetResponse integration. Click on it and click on install now. And it will upload it. Here you can see the speed. Now it's uploaded already. You didn't find the time to see it. As soon as you find click on it, it's installed. Now it's loading the page. Then click on activate. There's some problem going in the theme actually. That's why these problems are coming. Otherwise you will not find in your one. Here is GetResponse settings. Click on GetResponse settings. And it will ask for a API. So go on GetResponse where the API is. It's in account details. So click on account details. Here you find this page where you have your account details over here. And you see this tab that is API. Click on it. And copy this API and paste it in your WordPress and click on save. Do not click on GetResponse 360 guys. Do not click on it. As soon as you save it, it will load that page. Now it's active. Now if you want the people who are commenting on it register, you can save them. Target campaign is there. Additional text, sign up to our newsletter kind of thing. If somebody registered through any form, it will be get integrated. So click on save. After that you put it. After that what you have to do is, let's publish the form first, or just see where we have to publish. Go into appearances, go into widgets. What that you have to do. Sorry guys, in between I'm doing few things. Click on widgets, and then here you see another widget that is GetResponse waveform. Drag it from there and paste it wherever you want. As there is no form because we have not created yet anything, so we will create that. Now my site is all about jobs. Okay, sign up to get a job or a free courseware. A free courseware. As if you could see, the theme is somewhere blue and dark, blue and gray. So I will select the form according to that. Like this that is more eye-catchy. Let's load this template. Let's try it. Me trying this first time for this new website, so we are not sure which color it will suit the best. So let's give a try. Now this is the form, and it has option like name, email ID, and gender. In gender they have a drop down, but I don't require it. I require the name, email ID, and I require not gender, not age, phone number, comment, or I require this city. Let's suppose I require city because I'm a person who is like who requires cities, because I want people should be based of India. So let me put that city. Now smart learning. Improve your skills with our free course of email marketing. Yes, that's what I'm giving them. Okay, that's what I'm giving you now, and I'm giving to my audience as well. Now the text is gone. If you are able to see it. So just a bit elongation you do it. Now it's done. It's that easy. Guys, it's that easy. You want this to be inside, it is that easy. If you want this to be dragged down, okay, this is that easy. You can drag, drop anything you want, anything from here, like you want to paste an element. I don't require it because it's fulfilling my all my requirements. Now what's the next thing? Click on save and publish. If your website is not based off WordPress, then what you can do is you can copy the script and paste it on your web page. Want to give it to your web designer, you can put his email ID and details where he has to paste. Or you want to host this form on GetResponse, you can copy this URL. Okay, as soon as you copy it and paste it, like if you want to send somebody on it, you don't have a website, you do marketing through social media only, then what you can do is this. You can use GetResponse website as well for that. But I will be installing it on my website and I have already published. So let's go to our website and let's reload this page as we have already as we have published a new course. Sorry, a new form we have published. It's like courses always. For me, it's time of course only. There you see a form. Web form this. Now click on publish. Now if I'm reloading my page, this page, if I reload this particular page, like if you could reload this particular page, then you will see that form will be appearing here. You see, the form is here. But don't you feel that this form is a bit wider than expected? So what you can do is you can go back and go into forms and manage forms if you want to make any change into that form. Like here is the action, edit, view online, whatever you want to do. You want to delete, you can delete it even. Let me click on edit because I'm feeling it is a bit wider. I want to change the dimension of it. Now I have changed the dimension a bit, which makes me feel comfortable. Okay, because that is containing a huge space. As soon as you publish it, you don't have to make any changes anywhere. Just see these. This is coming very huge. Go back and just reload the page. Nothing else. You have to save and publish. After that, everything gets automatically done. You see the size has reduced. That is the beauty of GetResponse. You don't have to do anything. If you publish on 10,000 websites, even this form get changed in those 10,000 websites. And if you see that this form is an eye-catching form, getting my point? If you could see, it is whole of the content is there, but if you see, it is eye-catching. It's such an attractive form we have created for us. Getting my point? So this is how we publish forms. So in the next video, we will learn how to create pop-up forms. Guys, this is one of the most difficult thing for most of the people in life. But with GetResponse, we will do that in simple 3 to 5 clicks only. Nothing else. Just 4 to 5 clicks. That's it. So I hope I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.